Hello everyone, let's talk today about our course Simplified version of Scrum Guide. Let me walk through to the course out. I will be talking about what is Scrum, uses of Scrum, values of Scrum, the various pillars on which Scrum stands, the real principle, the roles, the artifacts they create, the events they go through, and the rules that abide all of them. In addition to that, I will also talk about concepts like sprint goals, cancelling the sprint, and definition of done. Each one of these will be uploaded weekly and each one will be explained thoroughly in a separate video. So let's move on our first topic of Scrum framework. What is Scrum? Can anyone who is watching this video tell me what Scrum stands for? Is it simplified, combined, unified recursive methodology? Or something else? Well, Scrum is derived from a game of rugby. So when you look at this picture in which the players are forming a huddle, it is called Scrum. The idea here is they are cross-functional and self-organized. So you can see a really hefty guy who will push the opponents, but a lean and a fast runner who can take the ball to the court. And that's what a self-sufficient, self-organized and cross-functional Scrum team is all about. Scrum Guide also suggests Scrum is a framework and not a process or a technique. When I talk about a framework, just think about a canvas. For example, look at this picture here. If you look at this, you can see the frame in which the painting is being done. Similar is the case of Scrum. You can do or create complex adaptive problem within the periphery, but the periphery is being defined by the rules, the roles, the events, and the artifacts of Scrum. Scrum Guide also says it's a lightweight, easy to understand, but difficult to master. When I first thought about it, it was extremely difficult to comprehend. But let me give you a simple example to relate. Everyone says regular exercise and eating healthy food is good for health. Extremely easy concept to understand. But if you would ask me how much I can do it every single day, months after months, for years, it is extremely difficult to do it. Same is the case with Scrum. Extremely easy to understand, but difficult to master. So in short, Scrum is derived from game of rugby. A Scrum team is very similar to a rugby team, cross-functional and self-organized. Scrum is not a process or a technique, but a framework. I hope this gives you a better understanding on the basics of what Scrum is. I see you in the next video where I talk about usage of Scrum. Till then, thank you very much. Do like, share and subscribe.